mundi mushanuqu munyo tindu day hiatu kuti munjia tunengku lu Yunzi kushawala
Bây giờ Ashlee vô tổn nhiệt tài đó. So I just want to wish them a wonderful life and hope they last forever. And they love each other.
Okay, trong xe nào okay, vô tuổi thế Ashlee okay. Nếu nó giờ ưu anh ở gì, ở hay trong xe chấp nhận à, nếu nó nè IQ con đầu nếu nó nè là một số lý là một show ở ý lần này là đó okay. Thì nếu nó ưu anh ở gì ưu trong xe trong đây, để xí vô tàu là để xí luôn đó mà okay. Nếu nó lấy được bỏ tàu hay tiền để chụp cái gì tôi cháu một lời cha chụp sáng chạy dê tôi đến bộ cha tôi you know from far and near okay they're all over here not for me okay it's for you guys okay hey trong đây they cherish they remember whoever came here to support you to love you these are the people these are your friends these are your family who would treasure this moment with you guys, okay? So, you know, me and your mom wish you the best of luck. Love each other, cherish each other forever. And like I said, you know, there's always gonna be, you know, ups and downs, but I know you guys can figure things out. And just want to wish you the best of luck.
Hi Ashlee and Ashlee Toua, congratulations. We are so happy for the both of you guys, and even with like problems and stuff, you guys will work through it.
Hey, Toua and Ashlee, congrats to you guys. We love you guys so much. We're only a phone call away, so you know, whenever you guys run into problems or anything, you know, any difficulties, just give us a call. You know, we're here for you guys.
Congratulations, Ashlee and Toua. We love you so much. Let's get lit. Say, let's get lit.
I'm so happy for you guys. Wish you guys the best luck in your marriage. Love each other, listen to each other, forgive each other. Love you guys. Congrats, Ashlee and Toua.
Congratulations, Ashlee and Toua.
Congratulations, Ashlee and Toua. I'm happy for you guys. Toua, if you break Ashlee's heart, I'm gonna break you. You know where to find me in that ring.
Yeah, and this is a big moment for you guys. So make sure you love each other, take care of each other. This is a very big deal. So we're so happy for you and congratulations.
You're the first to make history out of the family, so congrats on that as well.
Yeah, love you guys.
Yo, listen to you. Congratulations on your wedding, and I wish you a happy ever after. Hope you guys have a good life, start a new family and all that.
Hi, this is Nujong. No filter or anything, but we've been waiting for this day, so congratulations.
My name is Xing Yi. I'm pretty sure the three of us can agree that we're proud to be your brothers. And, you know, I really aspire the type of person you are, super strong. And, you know, that kind of motivates me, you know. So I hope everything goes well for you.
Hello, Toua and Ashlee. I've known you both since I want to say middle school, and I really seen the love and the compassion that you guys grown. Really appreciate both of you, and I know that you guys will have cute babies. We wish you the best, and we can't wait to see what's next in store.
Hi, Toua and Ashlee. I've known Ashlee your whole life, so it's been good. Nice meeting your cousin. Toua, we used to be fun set co-workers, so I've known you since then in high school. I hope to find love like you guys one day, forever, Ray Bay, like what you guys do.
Congrats to both of you. Hope you guys make some cute babies. Hey Toua, hey Ashlee, congratulations on your big beautiful day. Hope you guys have many babies. You guys need babysitters? Call Mang. But congratulations, we are looking forward to you guys.
Congratulations, Ashlee and Toua. Hoping the best for you guys on this new chapter. Very exciting. Excited for all the new accomplishments as a married couple, and hoping for lots of love, happiness, wealth, and lots of babies.
We're very happy for the both of you. Love each other no matter what, and remember all the good times when the bad times are there. Remember to make a happy wife, and then you'll have a happy life. Okay, so enjoy your life together. We can't wait to see what holds for the future for the both of you in terms of grandchildren and your lives together.
Congratulations, Menzapaku. I'm so happy. I'm glad it finally happened. Whatever it is, be happy in life. Enjoy the moments. Live your best. And you don't need to live how people judge you or how people want you to live your life. And enjoy life. I'm so happy for you. I cannot wait to see a little Toua and little Paku Ashlee, okay? So don't wait too long because I am old. I might not be able to help you guys. Cheer and thank you, and I'm so happy and congratulations to you.
Hi, Toua and Ashlee. Congratulations. I can't wait for babies now, and I can't wait to be an amazing auntie to them. And I'm so happy for you guys.
Hi, Ashlee and Toua. Congratulations. Happy wife, happy life. So stick with that. Ashlee's never wrong.
Yeah, Toua, you're always wrong.
So last thing is just cheers. Have a great day. Be safe. We love you guys.
Hey, Toua, Ashlee, congratulations. Strongest freshman. Let's go.
To our beautiful Ashlee and to our handsome Toua, we love you guys so much. Please give birth to lots of kids so that we can come over and watch them. We're gonna be with you guys for a very long time. So we love you guys so much. Happy life.
Congratulations,
Congrats.
Toua and Ashlee. We're so happy for you guys. I'm gonna cry already.
Okay, as I said, you guys are really good friends, and we are so happy to be here.
Yeah, and we're just happy that you guys are finally tying the knot. You guys are so special to us. You guys are our closest friends, and yeah, it's been a long time coming. You guys are special people. I wish you guys nothing but the best. I can't wait for you guys to have baby.
But okay?
But yeah, we're so happy for you guys. We love you guys.
Kawa kulusya kuli luata Ka tua kute Luce chia lindre Lun giao hai chita Thao cần ra cùng nhau Ka po ta chua ya Hao cùng jia mua ya yêu
gà nu tì lo nu bơ lo nu cứ em mua lợ cú nhà cú tí đầy lấy bò đò bò đi lia quả đã tàu nàng chen nên gọi nụ nên gọi phí là cũng đồ vô cho chẳng là tí lòng thấu chê nó tí vô
Còn các con thầy luôn bộ cái hò chị em bộ luôn nữa hả? Ok.
Ok, chàng lên chưa lúc.
Của thầy luôn luôn.
咕噜的长得是露骨的。
Không có nên đấy. Ngồi không cho lo ta lần thay lo.
Chị cú tua hạt nó cú hành đi nó đâu có nữa mà. Nú nó you lo là you tu xí là chị chỉ ya tới cho nè cho chị muốn đi push còn đấy xí you cái mình đấy xí nên love each other nên xí you chị họ ý chấp là nên những xí lưu là nên những xí lưu là chị sao anh nó muốn đi cho cái luôn đó cho chơi nhưng xí lưu cả một trò lưu cái nữa họ tua有主心讲到一家的呢 honest 呢讲一家的他cheat on 一家的 OK 呢跑ที่ไปตัว莫给啊你呢洗下子呢莫洗下子要有我记下了那都只有主下子tu tiwa chi ya lo yo to ja ti na I kha to ha ti plau ya respect each other na tiền tên nó chỉ nhà bây giờ tôi khen này là nên những bao ta là nè đó chỉ bây buồn nhiều gì chỉ bây thật sao để trả nên mua luôn này nè họ mua đâu đi để không đó bây giờ thì ở đâu khen đó nè nè thứ bao lửa là bây khen đó nè nó mà
thay thế à vô nè bây giờ nên đã lâu nè nên đã lâu chú nu nó dùng xe nè để nu nó dùng xe của tôi gì nè nên mua nè mua gì mua cứ mua gì mua nâng mua trà bây giờ đó nè bây look up to này nè thế bây look up to này này sẽ cái example của bây bao bây họ là hay ô bây tụi thằng bọn này á bao lớn nè thế bao lớn á lấy của tụi thằng lấy của tụi bố hoặc bây mua bây you know proud of you guys and get started respect each other is very important. You watch you mua you nhận được you mua you nhận được and you know I wish you guys the best. Còn này cứ mê là tông tô là có thể tông tô chấp lại nó thế